Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm happy to see you again, Atomians, and I'm here to present company profile. At meron tayong topic. Ayan. Di ba? Ayan. Ang topic natin, o dun sa mga naka-Zoom, screenshot nyo na po ito. No? So, are you all excited? Okay. So, my name is Jose Borbe, Center Head and Diamond Master of Concepcion Marikina Center. Okay. So, ito yung unang tanong natin. No? How secure are your present and your future? If ever binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na mabuhay ng 100 years, right after ng retirement, yung natitirang 30 years or 40 years natin, ano yung gagawin natin? No? Kung tayo ay hindi nakapaghanda, ano yung magiging buhay natin na that 30 years and 40 years ay wala tayong income? Di ba? So, lalo na nung nagpumasok tong COVID-19, di ba? Last 2020, so naging napakabilis na ng mga pangyayari, no? Andiyan na, yung the era of private change. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ngayon po, halos dumadami na yung ang ginagamit sa mga factory ay mga robot na. So, mabilis na, no? Nag-change na kaagad. After that, 5 years pa lang. And then, nagkaroon na tayo ng yung economic uncertainty. Dahil po sa nangyari na yan, yung COVID-19. No? And then, marami pong mga company na nagsasarado. It's because even the politics is unstable and even yung mga disasters, no? Marami na pong mga nangyari. Kaya sa mga future, yung mga senior natin ngayon, so hindi natin, unstable retirement future, meron tayong kinakaharap, no, sa mga seniors. Especially yan, yung nasa picture, nakikita ninyo, nako po, malayo ang tingin, wala namang tinatanaw. Di ba? Pero kung naka-establish ka ng system that generates stable and sustainable income, even yung amid sudden crisis and rapid societal changes, magiging maganda yung buhay natin. No? Napatunayan na rin natin yan because ayun nga, no, marami naman pong na-promote ng mga Atomians, no? Kahit na nagkaroon tayo ng COVID-19 pandemic. Di ba? So, yan po. Kung itong mga age bracket na to, from 20, 30s, up to 60s, lahat sila kumikita. No? Pero after ng retirement, ano kaya? Maliban na lamang po kung ang reliable business partner nila ay ang Atomy. For anyone ready to build sustainable and stable income, so Atomy tayo. Ano ba itong Atomy? Ano nga ba yan, Sir Jose? Why is Atomy the most reliable business partner? Kasi nga, it's a system-based business model. Sustain earnings through a well-established system. And a trusted company, a portfolio of highly competitive products. So yun po yung competitive edge natin. That's why we can assure of consistent and stable income generation through Atomy. So ano ba ang business niya ng Atomy? Prepare for security future with Atomy, the global leader in network marketing, where anyone with determination can be succeed. Take note of the word, with determination. Lahat ba tayo determined? I can hear you. All right. So, kung determined tayo lahat, so what is this platform business? Atomy is a leading platform business, and this platform business is a business model where revenue is generated with an online or offline platform that connects and engage users. Kung mapapansin niyo yung Amazon, YouTube, Facebook, no? Mga platform business yan, napupuya tayo dyan, no? YouTube, Facebook, no? And Atomy is one of those platform business. Oh. So, dito, system-based business. Atomy is a system-based business. Sabi dyan, pwede na tayong matulog, no? Sino yung gusto matulog? Yun katabi ninyo, gisingin nyo na, baka natutulog. Sabihin nyo, meron tayong pagle-lecture about dreaming. No? So, dreaming of cruise, travel, no? O kaya nag-golf tayo. So, dito po sa mga platform, sa mga system-based business po, ito yung one example ng ito is yung rental business. You can assure of every month, no? Meron kang rental fee. And then yung mga royalty, no? Yung may mga deposit na sa bangko, yung interest. Sino po may mga deposit sa bangko? O yung may interest na mag-open ng bangko? Okay? Dalawang bank lang po ang gagamitin natin sa Atomy, no? Either yung PNB at saka BDO, no? So, yun po gagamitin natin dyan. And, of course, isa dito yung MLM, no? MLM katulad ni Atomy, no? So, dito, let's dream sa future natin na nag-Google tayo, no? Nagta-travel. So, yun po. So, why Atomy? Why Atomy? Because it's a premier global enterprise, a company built on trust, integrity, and principles, unshakable in its commitment to absolute quality and absolute price. Kaya nga, ito ay a company dedicated to customer success. Customer success is Atomy's ultimate goal and guiding principles. At dito po, ang pinakasekreto yung the best products. Kung meron tayong best products, no? Ayan po. Kaya kung meron po kayong mga ibang brands sa bahay ninyo, palitan nyo na. Gawin nyo na pong lahat Atomy. Because it's absolute quality and absolute price. Atomy, unwavering philosophy and key to success lie in its commitment to deliver the highest quality at the same price and at the lowest price at the same quality. Marketing leader with overwhelming competitive edge. Rank number 2 in Korea industry sales. Kaya yan, nakikita niyo number 2, di ba? Nakikita niyo sa screen. Number 2. Kaya nga, yung sinabi ko kanina, palitan na natin lahat nung mga product na may ibang brand pa dyan sa bahay ninyo, palitan nyo na para si Atomy maging number 1 na. Gusto nyo ba yun? Number 1 na si Atomy? Okay. So, it's a global enterprise expanding beyond Korea. Kung papansin ninyo, ang global consolidated revenue niya ay 2.4 trillion Korean won. And we are now open in 26 global branches, no? At pwede na rin po tayo mag-register ng mga member doon sa 144 branches ng global membership registration. Kahit wala pa siyang office, pwede na po tayo makapag-register ng mga member. And accumulated sales of 1.6 billion. Awarded the US 300 million export tower award, US dollars, no? Refers to a prestigious recognition given by the Korea International Trade Association, o yung KITA, and the South Korean government to companies that achieve significant export milestones. Chairman Park Han-hil received the President Award on Trade Day. The Export Towers, this is an official award granted during Korea Annual Trade Day celebration, no? Every December 15th. Now, rank among the top 10 global direct selling company, considering si Atomy ay baby company pa lang, unlike those mga international company like that of Amway and other company, mga nasa dekada na po sila, no? Unlike Atomy, baby company pa lang tayo. Okay? So, a company leading the global direct selling market. Chairman Park Han-hil, the first Korean company to join the WFDSA CEO Council. So, ang good news, ang Atomy ang mag-host, o yung Atomy ang mag-host ng 2026 WFDSA World Congress. So, di ba ang galing? atomy na naman, no? So, ang exposure natin talagang napakaganda. A global distributor of prestige products, Atomy International branches go beyond simply selling Korean products through the SGS Global Sales or Global Source Global Sales strategy. They source local products and distributed them worldwide via Atomy Global Sales Market. Kung mapapansin ninyo, meron tayo dyan yung sugar. Ito ay sourced from the Philippines, no? So palakpakan natin yan. Pride ng Philippines, meron tayong product na SGS. At nag-earn tayo ng 1.4 billion, yung lahat ng kinita ng GSGS, 1.4 billion US dollar. A company committed in SGS management. Atomy was the first in this industry, network marketing or direct selling sector, to publish an ESG report. ESG stands for environment, social, and governance. Okay? So a company committed to SGS management and a CEO who's earned respect through honest management, Chairman Park Han-hil, selected as one of Korea's most respected CEO for 4 consecutive years, 2021 up to 2024 by GPTW Korea. No? So, palakpakan natin yan, okay? So, ito pa, a great place to work, selected as Korea's best workplace for 4 consecutive years, ranked number 2 in the 2022 best workplaces in Asia, yung small and medium enterprise category. No? And another, enhanced consumer rights through honest management. First, remember, palagi na lang, no? First, di ba? First in the industry to receive consumer-centered management certification, achieved 3 consecutive certifications from 2019, 2021, and 2023. And also a recipient of the first Consumer Rights Award in 2022, awarded the Fair Trade Commission Chairman Commendation on 2022. Expanding a strong customer-centered culture, consumer-centered first, and then, so meron tayo sa customer, and then recognition and sustainability. Okay, ito pa yung another award or recognition na natanggap ng ating CEO, no? Ikaw, isa ma-publish ka man sa Forbes. Pag sinabi mo yung Forbes, it's a global media company focusing on business, investing, technology, entrepreneurship, leadership, and lifestyle. So, ang exposure mo dyan ay global. So, palakpakan natin yung ating CEO ay na-publish niya sa Forbes magazine, no? And a brand you can trust, Atomy Prestige product created under the absolute quality, absolute price principle, are trusted by consumer, leading to voluntary purchases without the need for recommendation. Kung nakagamit ka na ng ibang product at gusto mong gamitin yung iba, diba, itatry mo na because of its high quality product, hindi mo na kailangan pang kumbinsihin. And absolute quality and absolute price powered by strong partnership. Kaya nga, itong partnership na to, ito yung nagpatibay. Kaya meron tayong tinatawag na absolute quality and absolute price product, no? Nandito po yung Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, which are pioneered in radiation technology, and the Colmar, yung nanotechnology. And then, nadagdagan pa sa ng biotechnology. Kaya talaga yung product natin kapag lumabas ay high in quality, no? So, next is unmatched consumer satisfaction achieved through absolute quality and absolute price, 15 years, zero return rate, no? Ayan. So, dito sinasabi, nasa 0.21 na lang yung return rate natin. Actually, yung concern na yan, most of them, sa delivery concern na lang yan eh. Maliban na lang, alimbawa yan, nag-leak yan, no? O kaya naman, nalukot lang yung boxes niya, dun lang yan yung balik. It's not on, kaya binabalik, it's low in quality. No, it's not. Dito lang yan. Kaya nga, kung yung meron tayong mga product na kulang ng isa, huwag yun ibalik. No? Factory na yan eh. O kaya naman, nag-leak, yung mga center head, pinaparapol na yung mga product na yan, di ba? Huwag nyo na ibalik para yung 0.21% na yan ay maging 0.001 na lang. Okay ba yun? Di ba? So, next, ito yung mga product na ginagamit natin araw-araw, no? Must-use products achieved through absolute quality and absolute price. And one of those ay yung ating Hemuhim. Hemuhim, the only individually approved functional ingredient, immune function enhancement, and fatigue improvement. So, it is recognized for dual functions, yung immune function enhancement and fatigue improvement. So, hindi natin kailangan sabihin na energy booster, di ba? So, wala yun sa dapat tayo mga atomic curator, dapat sasabihin lang natin what is yung right. No? So, fatigue improvement. No? Number 1, best-selling product in the industry for 10 consecutive years, and then earn global consolidated sales 2 trillion Korean won, and we have 22 patents, and number 1, Korea first individually approved health supplement for immune functions enhancement. And another brand you can trust, Absolute Cell Active. Number 1 in the beauty sector for 5 consecutive years, and a global sales of 1 trillion Korean won. Bakit ba tinawag tong Absolute? The King Sejong Award, first in the cosmetic industry receiving this award. And ito ay awarded ng Korea Intellectual Property Office. Significance, Atomy was the first in the cosmetic industry to receive this award, which honors outstanding achievements in patent technology. So kung makikita ninyo, Atomy is the first in the cosmetic industry to achieve this quadruple crown of awards, marking its unmatched technological excellence and product quality. And another product you can trust, Atomy Skincare System for skincare system for technologies, plus may another material pa tinagdag and new technologies. At ang maganda rito, ito ay excellence rating from Germany Dermatest because of its low irritations, no? And another brand or another product you can trust, Atomy Toothbrush. In 2021 alone, approximately 37 million units were sold, equivalent to 1 toothbrush sold every second. Kaya sa tinawag o ang nickname niya ay 1-second toothbrush. Oh. And Atomy Azamol, sino na nakagamit ng Atomy Azamol? Azamol is a comprehensive online shopping platform that offers reliable, high-quality products, ensuring that the customers can shop with confidence and never regret their purchases. You know, 100,000 products available sa Azamol. No? And Atomy 3 cultures. We are sure that all 3 cultures will be fertile foundation for us to last over the next 100 years. Culture of observing principles. Atomy leads the direct selling industry with integrity, fostering a healthy and ethical business culture based on principles. And another culture is the culture of mutual growth. The key highlights to mutual growth is, kung mapapansin niyo sa screen, no, yung number 1 is the cash payment within 1 week of delivery. So, pag-deliver pa lang ng product, no, sa Atomy, 1 week pa lang, cash payment na yan. And then, financial support for facility investment. So kung yung company o yung isang partner company ni Atomy ay kulang sa facilities, kailangan niya automate, si Atomy nagbibigay din ng support. And also, prepayment for the material procurement. Kung yung raw material, wala rin o kulang din. So meron ding another support naman ang ating company, no? And one company per product policy. So kung mapupunan ninyo yung ating kape, isang company lang yan, yung McNulty, no? And even yung Serum Food, isang company lang din yan ang kausap ng ating CEO, no? Yung Serum Food, yung pong gumagawa ng ating mga noodles. Yan, no? And stable distribution, kaya lahat ng mga product na yan, walang problema sa marketing kasi pasok yan sa ating online shopping mall, no? And culture of sharing. Atomy ranks among the top 500 corporations in charitable donations relative to revenue. Ito, ang sinasabi dito po, yung income ni Atomy, a percent of it ay binibigay sa donations. No. And Atomy system, success system. Ano ba yung success system na yan? Ito po, no? Meron tayo, katulad nito, ginaganap natin, yung Success Academy is one of those system. And one-day seminar, fundamentals of business, and then good morning. Ito po yung latest updates and center look up. And we also have online education system. Business capability enhancement, pagdating sa product, meron tayong tinatawag na product seminar, yung product focus seminars. And we also have professional product instructor development. And sa business, we have leadership development training. And marketing plan. It is not just a compensation plan, but also a well-balanced compensation plan. Ease of business, no membership fee, no maintenance fees, no? And balanced distribution, 50% of the first rank bonus exclusively allocated to the new mastership achievers. Ano itong 50% na to? Kung if you remember the mastership bonus, diba, 20% are given to mastership, and 50% of that is given to the first rank, which are the sales master. No? And we are binary. Binary po si Atomy. Ibig sabihin yan, i-maintain mo lang yung left and right group. It is unlimited levels and accumulation recognized across all open regions. Ibig sabihin po, infinity. Yung ating mga points, ating mga PB, infinity po yan. No? Kahit gaano kalalim yan, kahit saang bansa pa nanggaling yan, i-record ng system yan, and then, titingnan niya, meron tayong tinatawag na compensation cap. Kaya wala tayong tinatawag na overpayout. Wala po, no? And we are also Global One Marketing. Ibig sabihin po nito, kung ang member mo ay nasa Pilipinas, if you go to Japan, if you go to Canada, or if you go to Cambodia, you can use that number and you can order online, no? Gamit ang iyong number. Isang number lang natin. So, one, Global Marketing. Corporate philosophy. Atomy aims to become a world-class premier company by striving for customer success based on the management philosophy of honesty and goodness is the best strategy. No? Management objectives. Customer success and distribution hub and premier company. Let's focus on premier company. Pag sinabi mong premier company in business context, it typically refers to a business that is a leader in its industry or market, has high customer satisfaction and brand reputations. It demonstrates strong ethical values and corporate responsibility, often receives award certification or recognitions, and shows consistent growth, financial strength, and innovation. Yan po ang premier company na tinatawag, at yan ay walang iba kundi si Atomy. Palakpakan natin yan si Atomy, no? And management philosophy, a small but big company with precise management. And founding principles, being, no? Being, and meron tayong cost management, business management, and human resources. Papasanin nyo niya sa human resources, fostering creative talent. Yan yung kanina na, malayo ang tingin at meron ng natatanaw. O, di ba? So, dahil meron tayong atomy, meron na tayong natatanaw. Meron bang hope? May nakikita tayong hope? Ayan. And speed. Speed, meron tayong yung speed na to, yung nangyari nga yung ating COVID-19, no? So, napabilis tayo. Tayo ay nakasunod kasi nga nasa online platform tayo, di ba? Naging online, napakabilis na nung ating nangyari sa Atomy. And even yung pagbubukas ng mga branches sa iba't ibang bansa ay napakabilis na rin, no? And balance. Ito po, balance. Atomy pursues public value at the level of social enterprise through balanced distribution. And company motto, cherish the spirit. Di ba? Sabi diyan, humans are the most precious beings and should never be treated as means to an end. People are the ultimate objectives and should be cherished as such dahil we are in the image of God. No? Create the vision. Ito po yung kagawa po tayo ng life scenario and we have to follow that faith, no? And then serve in humility. Now, Atomy will continue to uphold its unwavering commitment to honest management, guided by the principle of absolute quality and absolute price. In this age of uncertainty, secure your success with the Atomy platform. But before I finish my presentation, let me share you this Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. Again, this is Diamond Master Jose Borbe from Concepcion Marikina Center.